Enabling two-factor authentication on Pinterest adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pinterest website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Then, look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 dots, and click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find security settings. In the settings menu, scroll down or navigate to the security section. Here, you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may need to toggle a switch or check a box to turn it on. Follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the instructions to link your method and verify it by entering the code sent to you. Once you've completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Pinterest account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible to avoid being locked out of your account.